Welcome to June 1st in the mountains. Look at our summery weather. It's so heavy, trees are bent right over. Should be okay for the weekend, for our weekend concrete pour, but definitely looking forward to some summer weather because I'm kind of over the snow at this point. Well, hey folks, can you believe what I'm sitting next to here? It's the remnants of a snowman that was made just 5 days ago here. We're full on summer right now, and today might be our lucky day for getting our concrete poured. Vigo's back in his favorite spot on his little bed outside. Get to watch the whole neighborhood. All right, folks, well, it's happening. Brian's rallying after taking a nap from his 50-mile bike ride, and now it's time to pour some concrete. So Lance is going to be helping out with the lifting, and hopefully we can get this done today. It's a nice, perfect day, nice and warm for doing this job, so hopefully we can just hammer it out. And thanks to a viewer tip, we're going to put on some concrete adhesive to the edges of the existing pour here. So using Quickcrete bonding adhesive.
Give me 1 second, I'm just going to do this edge right here with the grinder. Right here.
That's a little bit of pressure.
Yeah.
Just enough.
Here you go.
Is that enough of a stream?
I don't know. It's pretty slow.
Okay, here we go.
You didn't do a good job. I need more water. Okay, turn it up. This is not going to work. We're going to have to use the thing. Turn it on, please. We're gonna leave it on. It's not working this way. Should add more pressure.
A little bit higher.
I know. Go get the tractor. Put the forks on it.
That what you call high water.
We got more pressure now.
Okay, what do we got now? Pressure. Oh, the lid's closed on top. So that could help with the pressure. Good thinking, good thinking. Okay, now let's check out this pressure situation.
A little better?
A little bit better?
Yeah. Grab it. Ready?
Okay, where's your garbage bag? In the shed?
I didn't get one yet.
That'd be helping. Did you get your box? Did you get your box? There you go.
That's good for now. Yes. Maybe we can reach that. Yep, I think it's
Pretty slick.
pretty just fine.
Pretty just fine. So you think let it set up and then come back and do more surfacing?
Yeah, like an hour.
Well, what else would you do? Just more traveling?
Yeah, more traveling.
Oh, okay. Just to get rid of the lines?
Yeah.
Okay.
It'll be harder.
Okay.
Right now it's too soft.
So that was about half the cement, wasn't it?
Yeah, probably.
And now we
might have extra, but that's okay because we'll use it for other stuff.
Yeah.
So
Because you had 4 bags that you'd already bought.
right.
And
So there's 2 rows there. That's probably 15 bags.
Uh-huh.
And then 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 bags here.
So how many bags did we use on the...
12 and 15 is 27, 38 bags.
We used 38 bags.
For this?
Wow.
Yeah.
So 38 bags, and then this is about the same area, isn't it?
Yes,
little
but
bit.
it's not deep.
It's not deep, yeah, so there's no big pockets.
It should be plenty, I think. Improvise should have extra.
Yeah.
So
We're not going to run short again. Not on this job.
no, I overbought.
Yeah. All right. So now, okay, so that's part one of our thick patch job. So then the next step is to take off this front board here to do this pad because we don't want to have a thick seam
Right.
of the board in between the two.
So we'll do that tomorrow. I
Okay,
think.
so we'll pop it off
Yeah.
tomorrow. All right. Ooh, how's the water situation? Okay, we still got plenty of water. It's still holding tight up there and it hasn't fallen, so that's good. All right, we're back at it. Next morning, here comes Brian.
Come on, Beagle. Hey.
We're gonna go check on the situation. We haven't looked at it yet today, so gonna go see what it looks like. Get ready for round two. First of all, I want to see if that water container's still standing.
Oh yeah.
Well, everything's still standing. All right, first look. Here we go. Oh, you put initials in there.
I did.
Look at this. Well, that was bigger than I was expecting. Oh, nice and neat too. Oh, how do you guys like that? Amy and Brian 2022. People are gonna be like, what does that mean?
Like it? Yep.
Oh wow, Vigo, test it out for us.
Lay right on it.
Oh,
There you go.
do you get your Vigo stamp of approval? All right, so rinse and repeat, right?
Yep.
Round two. Task number one is to remove this board. Brian's gonna get the Sawzall to cut it out. So we're gonna pop this off, put in a thinner piece of plywood so the gap isn't quite so large between the two pads. We don't need 1.5 inch, 2-inch expansion gap. And then should be just like yesterday, right? Voila.
Voila.
Can you twist it up?
That's pretty.
Oh. There we go. Well, that looks pretty good then, so
I say we just dump it that way.
dump it, leave it like that. Looks good. Hey, check it out. Look at our hard work.
Where's the L at?
Don't step on the edge.
No L.
So sad.
A and B. And
Huge L in this one.
Oh, you stick around for a couple weeks and build the whole thing. I'll carve one in there.
you can make just a giant L right there. Here.
The same one that worked so well before. All right.
Here we go. Round two.
Oh, look at that. Well done.
Let's do it one more time.
Okay. Once more for the road. Boom. Done.
Okay.
Just like that.
Just like that.
We got 3 bags left over. So
Not
that's
bad.
Not bad for.
Better than the first go around.
Yeah. It's nice to be only over 3 bags than short 2 yards.
2 yards. Yeah.
How many yards do you think we put in?
Probably 2.
Close
To
to
see what 65 bag or 62 bags is.
So 62 bags worth, whatever that calculation is, guys. But that's what we were short. We're only 3 over, so we got some for any other projects we need around the house.
We'll need it for some pillars and things like piers, so
Yeah.
that'll be good.
Not too much waste, so that's good.
And then we can return our pallets to Home Depot since they charge you for them.
Oh, they charge for pallets now?
Oh yeah.
Well, guys, looks like that came out pretty well. All right, folks, we did it, and we did it even with supplying your own water. So if you didn't see that last video about our concrete pour, you don't know that we had to supply our own water because we don't have a 200 feet of hose to hook up to the house.
Mm-hmm. It would have been nice though.
So we were really kind of a little bit concerned, like if our operation was going to work, considering this is how we're doing it without really a ton of water pressure.
Yeah, it just kind of trickled in, but it worked good. So.
Yeah. So thanks again to the Coyote for being able to hoist it, and lift it up there. As you can see, it's a little bit tilted right now.
Yeah, we didn't restart the tractor, so the hydraulics are not under pressure right now. So
Yeah.
the board held it up just fine. So
Yeah. So held up by a board. Do not recommend trying that at home, but in a pinch, it worked for us. We were able to finish our job without having to resort to Plan C.
Right, which would have been buying a lot of hose.
All right, guys, thanks for checking it out. Our concrete pour is now finished. Now we can let the fun begin.
That's right.
Raising some walls.
All right.
Although playing in the mud was kind of fun.
Yeah, lifting those 80-pound bags of concrete over and over again.
80-pound bags. Whew. See you later, guys.
Bye.